In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add a keyboard on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General, and after that, tap on Keyboard. Now, tap on Keyboards at the top, where you will see all the keyboards currently added to your iPhone. Next, tap on Add New Keyboard, and a list of different languages and keyboard options will appear. Simply scroll and select the keyboard you want to add, such as Nepali, Hindi, or Emoji. Once you tap on it, the keyboard will be added instantly. To use your new keyboard, open any app like Messages or Notes, tap on the keyboard, and then press the globe icon at the bottom to switch between different keyboards. You can also press and hold the globe icon to quickly choose your preferred keyboard. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a keyboard on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.